circulates information to all people. I am one of the greatest means of communication between people and the world. Newspaper also known as great medium of knowledge. Newspaper gives an abundance of information at really low cost. Most importantly, newspapers are published in various languages: Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, English, Hindi, and so on. To help people become aware of current affairs, people get jobs through newspapers. In short, the newspaper got lot of significance for humans. Dear friends, if you read the newspaper daily, it can develop our reading habit. It makes us more fluent. Gives mind-brain exercise like games, like Sudoku, puzzles, and etc. Dear friends, get the newspaper and know about the world. I am a newspaper doll. I am a pretty girl. I give a lot of information to all people. Thank you.